All right, welcome back. Hey, I'm Christine Horn, life and career coach for actors and the founder and creator of Hollywood Bound Actors Live, coming to Atlanta, Georgia, Saturday, August 25th, 2018 from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Exclusive to 30 lucky actors who get to spend 6 hours with me. It's gonna be so much fun. As you can tell, like I'm so pumped up. I'm so excited. First of all, to come back to my home. Atlanta's home for me, to come back to Atlanta to share the things that I have learned. You know, I moved back to Los Angeles the top of 2017 with my husband and my dog Prince, and on a dream and a freaking destiny that I know had to be fulfilled. I got to a point working in Atlanta, just, you know, 100% as a local, that just wasn't being fulfilled enough. There was work there. I was working a lot, actually. And I still work in Atlanta from time to time. However, I just knew I was meant for more. I was like, I want to be the star of the show. And as soon as you know, people like to tell you all kinds of rules. You're supposed to be here this many years before you get this opportunity. And I don't abide by those rules. And those aren't the rules that I teach. I teach my experience. And I teach you to just go for it, to put yourself out there. I booked my first gig not even a month after I moved here, guest star. And then after 2-3 weeks later, I booked a recurring guest star. And then after that, I booked another recurring guest star. Like, I mean, I just played Harriet Tubman on Timeless. Like, I got to play an iconic American hero, like within a year's span. I need you to hear me on that. It didn't come with luck. I put in the work, I put in the time. I've been doing this for, if I break my years down into hours, over 175,000 hours. Michael Gladwell talks about mastering something takes 10,000. Well, honey, I done put my time in. So I'm here to share those things with you. And so really quick, the last part to my methodology that I'll be teaching you on the 25th. You know, we've been talking about my mama methodology, mindset, acting, marketing, and the last one is audition technique. And here's the thing, we talked about a lot of stuff, right? So it's great if you got your mindset together. It's great if you're doing your acting. It's great if you got your marketing. But honey, if you don't know how to work an audition, you won't book the job. Auditioning is a game. It's a muscle. You know, so even whether it's a self-tape or whether it's in person, it is a muscle. There are tricks to working this thing right here. How to work this camera takes work. You gotta know how to walk into a scene, how to get pushed, how to, you know, run around, how to choke yourself, how to shake somebody's hand, you know, how to create the atmosphere. I always talk to my actors, we got to create the atmosphere of what the script says in those 2 pages or 10 pages. You got to learn how to make it come to life right here. So when they see your tape, when they watch back your footage, they know you are the one. Oh, she knows how to work that camera. Oh, he knows how to work his angles. He knows what works for his face. He knows what works for his body. That's the stuff I teach. Auditioning is a game to me. I take all the other stuff, I put my acting and my craft in there, but at the end of the day, I gotta know how to deliver on this thing right here. Deliver on this camera, because that's all that matters. Because when you can deliver on this camera, that lets casting know, lets producers, executives know, okay, we can rest easy. This actor is gonna be fine on set. They'll be fine if we throw something at them. They'll be fine if we throw a change at them. They know how to work this camera. That's the methodology. And that's what I'm teaching on August 25th. So you need to be in there. Tickets are going fast. Early bird pricing ends August 2nd. You can get in right now for $99. Trust me, boo. If you knew what my hourly rate was, you would jump on this right now. Hollywood Bound Actors Live is an amazing event. I'm looking to take it to different states, take it to colleges. So be on the lookout for that. If you work for an organization that wants us to come to you, I can tell you how to get in contact with me for large groups, but this is the first stop. It's in my home where I feel like my career was bred. Who's hot in here? I'm getting so hot and amped up. So I'm excited to do it in Atlanta first. Hollywood Bound Actors Live is coming to Atlanta, Georgia, and I want to see you there. I'm Christine Horn, your life and career coach. See you soon. Bye.